Hello, welcome to the Pleasure Academy, where we explore confidence, attraction, and personal growth. Today's video breaks down the psychology of magnetism, how to naturally draw girls toward you, not through tricks, but through authentic confidence, emotional depth, and purpose. 1. The real meaning of attraction. Attraction isn't magic, it's energy. When you walk into a room, people sense your vibe before you even speak. Girls are naturally drawn to men who radiate calm confidence, not neediness or arrogance. True attraction happens when your energy says, "I'm complete with or without attention." The key is inner security. When you stop chasing validation, your presence becomes powerful. You attract by being, not by begging. Every gesture, tone, and pause you make tells a story. Make sure it's one of strength and self-assurance. Real magnetism begins inside, long before anyone else notices you. 2. Confidence, the quiet force. Confidence isn't loud, it's steady. It's the calm you hold when others panic. Girls sense authenticity instantly. Forced bravado repels, while quiet assurance attracts. You build confidence by keeping promises to yourself, showing up even when it's uncomfortable, and knowing your worth. When you respect yourself, others follow suit. Don't fake confidence, cultivate it through action. Every time you face fear and move forward anyway, you reinforce your inner strength. That calm energy becomes magnetic, because people feel safe around someone who feels safe within themselves. That's confidence, not arrogance, just alignment. 3. Emotional intelligence, the hidden magnet. Girls are drawn to emotional intelligence like bees to honey. It's rare and deeply attractive. When you listen instead of reacting, when you validate emotions instead of dismissing them, you show depth. Emotional maturity signals you're capable of connection. Practice empathy, look beyond words and understand what's felt. Stay composed when situations test your patience. That's when true character shines. Emotional intelligence isn't about fixing anyone, it's about creating safety and trust. When a woman feels understood, she feels drawn, not because of your looks or charm, but because you speak her emotional language. 4. Purpose, the pulse of magnetism. A man with purpose is unstoppable. You don't need to be rich or famous, just driven. When you chase goals with passion, your energy transforms. You become focused, alive, magnetic. Girls are naturally attracted to ambition because it reflects direction and confidence. Purpose creates gravity, it pulls people toward you. It says, "I know where I'm going." Whether it's fitness, business, music, or self-mastery, channel your focus. Passion adds depth to your aura. When your life has meaning beyond attention, attraction becomes effortless. Remember, a purposeful man doesn't chase, he leads and others follow. 5. Communication, connection over impressing. The way you speak defines how people feel around you. Talk to connect, not to perform. Avoid bragging or over-explaining. Speak with calm clarity and genuine curiosity. Ask questions that show interest, not interrogation. Listen actively, respond thoughtfully, and maintain relaxed eye contact. Girls don't remember your words, they remember how you made them feel. When your tone is warm, your body language open, and your energy grounded, you create chemistry without forcing it. Communication is less about perfect lines and more about emotional rhythm. Be real, stay relaxed, and connection flows naturally. 6. Body language, the silent attraction. Your posture tells your story before your mouth does. Shoulders back, chin up, steady gaze, that's silent confidence. Avoid fidgeting or over-gesturing. Move with intention, not rush. When you walk into a room, own your space like you belong there, because you do. Girls subconsciously read these cues faster than words. Open posture signals safety. Slouched posture signals insecurity. Smile naturally, maintain calm energy, and respect personal space. Attraction starts before conversation. Your body's stillness, composure, and eye contact speak volumes. Remember, body language isn't about dominance, it's about presence. 7. Self-care and grooming, respect in action. You don't need luxury brands to attract attention. You need self-respect. Clean nails, fresh breath, well-fitted clothes, and a pleasant scent speak louder than status. When you take care of yourself, it shows discipline and pride. Girls notice small details: neat hair, subtle fragrance, confident posture. It tells them you value yourself, and that's magnetic. Self-care isn't vanity, it's responsibility. You're presenting your best version to the world. Every clean shirt, trimmed beard, or calm face communicates effort, and effort is irresistible. Presentation isn't about perfection, it's about respect. 8. Humor and positivity, the light energy. Laughter builds instant connection. A man who can laugh at himself feels safe to be around. Girls love humor not because it entertains, but because it relaxes. Keep your energy light and positive, not forced or cynical. Smile more often, it signals optimism. Don't use humor to impress, use it to express ease. When you find joy in small moments, others want to share that vibe. Positivity isn't pretending everything's fine, it's choosing lightness despite chaos. Be that calm joy in a noisy world, and you'll attract effortlessly without saying a word. 9. Mystery, the power of subtlety. Not everything needs to be revealed. Mystery sparks curiosity, and curiosity builds attraction. Don't overshare your life, emotions, or opinions right away. Let people discover you over time. It's not about playing hard to get, it's about pacing connection. Girls love layers, depth that unfolds slowly. Keep conversations balanced. Show interest, but don't seek validation. Let silence work sometimes. It creates intrigue. When you live with purpose and confidence, your actions reveal more than your words. Remember, mystery isn't about hiding who you are, it's about letting authenticity reveal itself naturally. 10. Boundaries, the ultimate respect. Boundaries make you magnetic because they communicate value. When you say no to what doesn't align, you say yes to self-respect. Girls admire men who know what they stand for. Don't be available 24/7. It signals you lack focus. Prioritize your goals and time. Respect her boundaries too. Attraction grows in mutual space, not pressure. Boundaries don't push people away, they attract the right ones closer. It's not coldness, it's clarity. A man who values his peace becomes irresistible because peace is rare. Protect your energy and you'll pull quality connections your way. 11. Respect and kindness, true strength. Respect never goes out of style. When you treat people, from waiters to co-workers, with kindness, it shows emotional maturity. Girls instantly notice how you treat others. Arrogance may attract briefly, but respect sustains attraction. Be polite, not performative. Generous, not showy. Kindness is strength under control, the ability to stay gentle in a tough world. When you're respectful, people feel valued. That emotional comfort becomes the foundation of attraction. Remember, real men don't demand attention. They earn it through empathy and grace. Respect is quiet power, and it never fails. 12. Growth, the eternal attraction. The most magnetic people are evolving. They're not perfect, they're improving. When you constantly learn, adapt, and refine yourself, you radiate vitality. Growth is attractive because it represents progress. Read, exercise, travel, explore. Keep expanding. Girls admire men who are curious and open-minded. Growth shows discipline and humility. You don't need to have arrived. Just be moving forward. A stagnant person feels predictable. A growing one feels exciting. The best version of you isn't found, it's built daily. Keep sculpting yourself through effort and awareness. That's lifelong attraction. 13. Presence, be fully there. In a distracted world, presence is rare. When you're with someone, be there fully. Put away your phone, make eye contact, and listen without waiting to reply. Girls feel deeply drawn to men who are mentally and emotionally present. It shows strength because focus equals control. Presence turns ordinary moments into connection. Don't rush conversations or multitask through them. Your attention is the most valuable gift you can give. When she feels you're truly there, she feels important. And that feeling, being seen and valued, is the heart of attraction. 14. Energy and vibe, the final magnet. Your energy introduces you before you speak. Calm, confident, and grounded energy attracts effortlessly. Stop trying to prove yourself. Start being yourself. Practice gratitude, breathe deeply, and walk with purpose. Let your vibe say, I'm at peace with who I am. People mirror the energy they receive. When yours is stable, others feel secure around you. That's what truly pulls girls in. Not appearance, not status, but a peaceful yet powerful presence. Remember, your vibe is contagious. Make sure it reflects self-love, calm, and quiet confidence. That's irresistible energy. Attraction isn't something you chase, it's something you create. Build confidence, purpose, empathy, and respect, and people will naturally be drawn to your energy. Every girl is pulled toward authenticity and emotional strength. Stop performing, start evolving. The more aligned you are with yourself, the stronger your magnetic pull becomes. Work on your inner world, because that's where real attraction starts. Thanks for watching the Pleasure Academy. If this inspired you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone ready to grow. Remember, true magnetism isn't about looks, it's about energy. Stay confident, stay kind, and keep evolving. See you soon.